First ever real live images of Redmi K70 and K70 Pro has surfaced online. We will be having a look at them here in this video. Redmi K series is launching on November 29 in China, 2 days far from now. Redmi K70 series will include 3 of total smartphones: Redmi K70e, K70 and K70 Pro, which will be the highest end variant of this series. We have already seen the renders of Redmi K70 Pro, and here are the live hands-on images of both phones which were shared by some Twitter user today. These images confirm the renders to be true. Redmi K70 Pro will have 6.7 inches display with 120Hz refresh rate. Of course, this will be a flat display with no curved edges. Phone will have a centered punch hole selfie shooter, just like the trend we're seeing nowadays in every phone. Redmi K70 Pro will have this boxy design just like the iPhone 12 and the onward series of Apple. Overall, the phone looks really great in these pictures. Coming to the rear side of the phone, then there is a triple camera setup on both K70 and K70 Pro. The primary sensors are rumored to be of 50 megapixel. There will be 2 other sensors, most likely an ultra-wide lens and a telephoto lens. Redmi K70 Pro will have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset under the hood, and for the K70e, it is confirmed to have a MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra and a 5500 milliamps of battery with 90 watts of fast charging. So that's all for the Redmi K70 and K70 Pro. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.